Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today is a new wheel day at last. You know, I've been waiting so long for a new wheel here in the UK because they keep on launching new wheels, and every time there's a new wheel out I try to get hold of one, but it's all sold out and I can't get it. So I thought to myself, bite the bullet. One came up as a demo wheel and I jumped to the opportunity to get it because I was really looking for this specific wheel. It's a little bit sneaky because in this box is not the wheel that is displayed on the box. Makes it a little bit more interesting. But can I please ask, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I'm going to make a few videos about this wheel. And you can also follow along. I want to try and get to this 3,000 subscribers. It's like a goal, but it's out of reach all the time. Maybe it's because I don't make enough videos. But yeah, I want to, now that this wheel is back and I can get riding again, the days are longer here in the UK. You get more time to actually ride, and so I can pick up the speed of the EUC videos compared to the motorbike videos to give you guys both a bit of a different videos, two different disciplines. So as you all know, I had a S22 for quite a few years. Love that S22, brilliant wheel. Put it out there and then sold it. Boom, I couldn't actually believe it. The wheel sold, the wheel was in perfect condition. I actually sent the wheel off to Personal Electric Transport for them to give it a full service, new rollers, everything. The whole thing was stripped down, everything was cleaned out, and it was put back together again. And did a quick little ride on it before selling it, but it was sweet. And then I was looking for wheels, and the first thing for me is I don't want to pay massive amounts of money for a wheel. I don't need a wheel that can go 100 miles or even 80 miles. I just want a wheel that I can get on, go, got good suspension, looks good, rides really well. Well, that we can now hold off and see when we get to the riding part, because I haven't test drove this wheel, so I don't know how it rides, but I watched a lot of videos about it. And I want something that I can ride on the trail. So it needs to have an off-road tire, and it needs to be able to take some pads. I'm not so for the locked-in feel. I don't want to do massive jumps. I'm too old now. I just want to be able to just ride the trails like a mountain bike. And I know there's loads of other wheels out there, but this one is the one that sort of was in between the massive amount of money and something a little bit too small. And it is the Nosfet Aeon. Aeon. And this is what is in this box. So I'm super excited to see how it looks like, because I've only seen photos of it. This was a demo wheel, as I said earlier, meaning that I think it's got about 20 to 30 miles on. It's been fully serviced and checked, and it should be all good. Because I said to the guys, listen, if there's any problems with the wheel, I'm going to have the warranty and all that lovely stuff. So that's all included. But yeah, let's open this box and see what's inside. Get out my old trusty Gerber knife, so we can slice open it. And I must say, the S22's box were massive compared to this box. But they say the Aeon is a little bit, well, it's larger than the Aero, because I was very keen to buy an Aero because it was just that typical wheel that sort of fits my my riding style, and that is more mountain bike traily type of riding. And this is quite a good box as well, because my my S22's box were busted just from being very old. Okay, so what do we have here? We have some packaging. I'm sorry, but I haven't been this excited about something in a long time. It's really well packaged. We have a little box with the charger in. It looks like a it looks like a what is it, my S22 charger, Nosfet charger. Standby, green light is on, charging, red light is on, finish charging, green light is on. And then yeah, model, what is this? This is an output of 7.5 amp max, output 5 amp charger. So yeah, big old fat charger, cable. And we have this nice plug. It doesn't have that screwy bit on that I don't really like. 5-pin, like it. Boom, so that's that in that box. And then hey. Yes. Yes, baby, yes. So just give me 1 micro minute while I get all this boozley back in the box. Because as you guys know by now, if you ever buy something from me here in the UK, it comes as it was new. I just sold my MacBook Pro from 2018, and I've got the MacBook bag or the box. I've got all the wrapping, everything exactly how it is when I received it. So it is when you do get something or do buy something from me, it is usually in perfect condition, as new. Except if there, there's the normal scuffs and whatever. But man, this is a beautiful wheel. So this doesn't come with pads, and that's perfectly fine. But this Velcro has been installed, and I'm gonna add my pads to it. The foot plate has got the big one installed, so that's perfect for me. It's quite sharp as well, so that's all perfect. Oh man, this is a beautiful wheel. Jeez, look at this chunky tire. Oh, it's a little bit of dust on, but that's what I'm expecting. Let's have a look at the tire. It's a 3-inch tire by 12. Nosfet. Wow, this is this little clip as well where you can put this thing up, and then let's see if this boy balance. So, doesn't come with a manual. So I just hold the power button in and it started counting down from 0, 1, 2 and 3. So I just assumed I needed to hold it in for a little bit longer. So that's the transport mode. You hold it in for 10 seconds and then it turns on. But this thing is now on. The light is on like that. You can adjust the light. I'll have to go and grab a manual online. But guys, look at this thing. Nosfet. Oh, I love the, I had a quick ride on the Apex. And I love the shape of the wheel. It's just absolutely brilliant. And then I saw the Aero. And I thought to myself, geez, the Aero is just such a nice looking wheel. I'm very much like, it needs to look good as well while I'm riding this thing, and that's why I like the S22. I just like that shape. The same with the Sherman. I just like that tanky shape. It's just a different look wheel. The S22 was good looking. The S18 was also a really nice, slim, fun looking wheel. But yeah, it's a chunky old tire. Oh, looking forward to riding this thing. But yeah, this is just going to be a quick little unboxing video, nice and quick to boot up as well. This trolley handle is nice and solid. The suspension, I'll have to see how it tweak. Oh, smooth. Now, most of you guys in the US and so much in the UK that's been riding these newer wheels have been experiencing the plushness of the suspension for such a long time. I have not. You know, I've been the S22 has got a coilover shock, and it's not as smooth as, man, this is smooth. Boom bam, boom bam. Oh, guys, I think in the next video, when I've read up about this thing a little bit more, not read up, but sort of all the fine tuning that can be done, then we will go out for a little ride video. I can talk a little bit further about the excitement. But as you can see, this is a nice and tall wheel. I like that it's shaped around like this, so it doesn't kill the inside of your leg here. I had to install some baby bumpers on that S22 just because of that. But this is nice and round. You can probably sit on this thing. Oh man, the suspension is plush. Damn, boy. I'm sorry, I'm super excited about this thing. When they came out with this, with the Apex, for myself, yes, this is now a nice looking wheel. Someone designed it really. It's a good looking machine. The same as the Veterans as well. I like that look of it. No fancy King Song. Sometimes they bring out a wheel that's really cool. Then the next wheel has got speakers and RGB lights and all this other stuff that for me personally, that's not the stuff that I'm interested in. A lot of people is. I'm not. I just want something that looks kick-ass. And this, man, look at that chunky tire. This is exactly the size wheel I want. And at this price, I think new it's £2,229 here in the UK. And if you pre-order, you can get it out down to about 1,900, just under £2,000 for this wheel. Cheapest, man. I'll put the stats up here while I'm talking. I'm not going to go into the stats. Everyone knows by now what this thing is about. But and I'm going to ride it probably without pads for a bit just to get used to it. But damn, this is a nice looking wheel. I love the shock colors as well. It just looks so well put together. Oh, it doesn't have that whining thing on the motor. It's just like it's like definitely a step up in the technology. And this stuff goes forward so quickly that that you sometimes find it hard to keep up. Another thing that was annoying with my previous wheel as well is the gap between the fender and the tire was like very slim. So especially if you ride in the winter, the mud cakes on the tire and it becomes like almost like a log full of mud, gets caked on. But yeah, okay guys, quick unboxing, quick bit of waffle. Nosfet Aeon, whatever you want to call it. But I'm super excited to ride this wheel. Okay guys, if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to follow along, please subscribe. It's always much appreciated. And for all the guys that haven't seen ride videos, it's gonna come, guys. Just can't wait to ride this beast. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.